this makes me wince every time. Oh, right there. Yikes. Hello, everybody. It's me, Beau. I want to give you some real-life footage from the Z Edge dash camera. As you can see, it did, right there. Man, every time. It did withstand an actual car incident. In this case, you can see this kid tried to pull in front of my wife. She was going the speed limit. She tried to apply the brakes, but as you can see, he was totally in the wrong. I don't know why he thought he could have made that. Don't worry, everybody was relatively okay. The EMTs did have to show up and check out everybody because there's quite a bit of speed behind this. But the point of this video is, yes, this dash cam does work. Absolutely get a dash camera. Even if it's not this particular model, it will definitely save you. This kid could have said, no, it wasn't my fault, but I showed the State Patrol guy this footage and it was very, very clear. So get a dash cam. Every time. Yikes.